I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. Make my hands feel on your body. Make we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love.
So we journeyed on to the northern part of Cebu and we found this beautiful resort along Maya Daanbantayan, a new destination with powdery sandy beach where you can relax, unwind, and be far away from the bustling city life. While it's still ongoing with constructions, it is open and operational with strict implementation of proper health protocols. Upon our arrival, they've checked our temperatures. Resort staff directed us to wash our hands in their designated washing area and disinfecting us in a cubicle beside the reception. Together with our check-in details, we were also asked to fill up a contact tracing form before heading to our room. There are a few types of accommodations to choose from. Garden villas, the lagoon villas, a native hut theme room right at the beach, which you would actually think that these rooms are not air-conditioned, but actually it is, and the deluxe rooms which we availed. Our room had a decent size, with 2 queen-size beds, a flat-screen TV, a small empty fridge, and an outdoor space with sofa. The bathroom has a modern feel with an array of bathroom essentials: free shampoo, shower gel, dental kit, and shaving kit. As in-house guests, we were given a free 30-minute use of their kayak. They also offer paddle boarding, road bikes, and mountain bikes. Signs are posted in different areas within the resort to remind guests of their strict implementation of the health protocols. For the food, we tried their Italian seafood arrabbiata, sizzling gambas, and the smoked pork ribs. For dessert, we had the mango panna cotta, which by the way is comfort food to us. There are 2 mid-sized pools in this resort, which limits only to 15 persons allowed at a time. For us, what really stands out is their long and wide sandy beach, where you can swim, dance with the little waves, or relax under the sun with the sound of the waves on the background. The long stretch of white sand beach is perfect for physical distancing, so you don't need to worry. Overall, it was a relaxing experience. Considering that they are still adding more amenities, this resort has so much to offer in the future. Probably will be coming back soon.